This is going to be an easy mica pour tutorial in our crystal edge sea mold. I have some rhodolite garnet crystals, some iridescent glass beads, and some crushed glass. I also have some beautiful Colorshift mica powder that goes from blue to violet to orange to yellow to red. Isn't that pretty? I wait till the resin's about 33 to 34 degrees Celsius before I pour, and the black is made with just a couple of drops of pigment paste. You want 1 ounce less of the black than you do of your mica color. So for our sea mold, I used 2.75 ounces of the black and 3.75 ounces with the mica powder. And the pour is simple. You pour the black into the bottom and then the mica powder on top of it. That's all it takes to get these great cells. My black was a little dark in this pour. You don't want the black to be too heavy, but you do want it like an opaque black color. When you use black pigment paste, you only need a drop or two, or three maybe, to turn the color pretty dark. And there I'm just scooping the glitter and glass in the center, and you saw a little bit of it go off to the left there, and we'll see what happens in the finished product. And once the glitter is in, you just wait for it to close up. Give it a quick torch to get rid of bubbles, and there's a time lapse of it just closing up. It doesn't look like it's doing anything, but it is creating cells on the other side. Once it's done and cured the next day, it's time to demold. How easy was that? Just black pigment paste and colorful mica. Let us know what you think in the comments below.